There's lots of information about ancient Egypt on this page. Look, it says that ancient Egypt was one of the greatest civilizations of the past. Egypt is in northeast Africa, and the ancient Egyptians lived on the banks of the River Nile. It says here that the pyramids were the stone tombs of Egypt's kings, the pharaohs.
2.
Look, here it is. It says it's a huge stone sculpture of a creature with the body of a lion and the head of a human. It is believed that the Great Sphinx of Giza guarded the tomb of the king from tomb raiders.
3.
In ancient Rome, they had some incredible buildings. It says that as cities got bigger in ancient Rome, fresh water was a problem, and people started to die because they were drinking dirty water from the rivers. So they started to build long stone channels called aqueducts to carry clean water from the hills nearby to the towns.
4.
Amphitheatres were places where the Romans went for entertainment. They had a central stage with rows of seats around it. They are quite similar to a modern football stadium. People used to watch fights between gladiators and wild animals, such as lions and bears. Look, this was the largest amphitheatre in the Roman Empire, the Colosseum.